What's the message that you give to those in the same position if they find themselves that they want to give up?
Oh, that's a great question, Paxton. It sounds so cliche, but truly, it's always darkest before the dawn, right?
Mm-hmm.
You hit rock bottom, and then you have no place to go but up.
Mm-hmm.
And that's when you're struggling and things don't seem to be going right. That's when you're being tested, right? That's when your reward's going to come. It just hold on and keep putting one foot in front of the other and step forward and take that step and breathe and just move forward.